Remember the last time you have decided to cook a biryani? You did all the preparation, got the ingredients right, sorted out the proportions, maybe even followed a YouTube recipe or two. You start cooking, the aroma fills the kitchen, and you have already imagined the first bite. Then the moment of truth comes. You take the first spoonful, and boom, it's a disaster. Now you might be wondering, why is this guy talking about biryani on a motovlogging channel? Remember that expression you made after tasting the failed biryani? That was my face when I played back my GoPro footage and realized the audio didn't record.
Shit!
Yep, this is the second time that has happened to me, and honestly, that's why the video got delayed. I wasn't sure how to bring the story back to life without the initial audio. My bloody GoPro mic decided not to record the audio, man. I have started the ride early in the morning with a lot of enthusiasm, screaming into the mic that everything that I was saying was getting recorded, but my GoPro had its own plans. I quickly zip-zapped through the city traffic and got my bike fueled up and headed towards the highway. There I was on the highway talking about the small safety measures you should take when you're out on the highway, and also about the weather. Quickly reached the entry of the Narsapur forest, where I stopped by to stretch my hands and legs and back on the bike. But still, I haven't checked whether the footage I was recording was perfect or not. So the plan was to ride from home to Narsapur, going through our usual route of twisty roads, and then take a left from the Narsapur towards Jogipet, and on the way back to touch the Manjira Sagar project, and again back to the Narsapur forest, doing the same twisty roads and back to the home. So the total ride distance is going to be 190 kilometers through the good, bad and ugly roads. After covering a good 90 kilometers going through the forest road, I stopped by the roadside to click some pictures because the sun just came out, and this was my reaction after realizing that the audio didn't got recorded. God damn it, my bloody GoPro mic decided not to record the audio, man. I thought the audio was getting recorded up until now. I was just yapping onto the mic and inside my helmet, thinking it was getting recorded. And when I came here to just change the battery, I just played the music, and the audio is not there. It's like, come on, seriously, man. The bloody GoPros. I hope the audio is getting recorded this time, and I don't have that much of battery percentage as well, like power left. So it was around 20% is the charge that is left in the GoPro. So directly the next stop would be Jogipet Clock Tower. That's where I'm thinking to go. I think I'll directly start recording from the Jogipet itself. The countryside roads. Damn. Just gotta be little careful. Damn, but yeah. I think we still got another 10 kilometers to go to the Jogipet. Roads are pretty good, man, for the kind of distance that we are away from the main roads. This road is much better. Yeah, I think Okay, then let's see. Oh, bloody hell! These speed breakers got, man. That one got camouflage in this color. Didn't saw that coming, man. That not bad. If it was my Apache, I would have airborne, like I would have taken off like a flight. Nevertheless, the scenery looks freaking good. I'll see you at the Jogipet then directly. I think we are in Jogipet. I've almost reached where we wanted to go. I think one more, yeah, that's the right. That's the one ride that I have to take. We'll reach the clock tower. There it is, the infamous Jogipet clock tower. We made it. The time is 8:20, I guess. 18 is 6, then 20 is. Maybe we'll click some pictures over here and head back home, because people here will look at you like a freaking alien in all of this riding gear and stuff. There it is then. We have hit our first waypoint. Yikes. Yeah, we have hit our first waypoint. That's the Jogipet clock tower, and the next point is to go to the Manjira Dam. Yeah, it is like 20 kilometers from here. Same road will take. I think we'll get connected to another state highway. From there another 15 kilometers, so not that far. Nice ride. Oh bloody, that bird missed by a feather, man. I hope it is all right. Yeah, so great ride. It's been so much fun. What you're seeing is only hardly 10% of what I'm doing. My recording, yeah, we're recording. So what you're seeing is only 10% of what I'm doing. All the fun happens behind when the camera gets turned off. So I'm having a lot of fun. Chalo, the next stop would be like I said, the next stop is the Manjira Dam. I'll see you right there. River crossing. Has to be a river, right? Yeah, it is a river. Maybe I'll just can stop over to the right and click some pictures. Maybe that looks beautiful, man. Oh, that temple tower looks very beautiful. It's very tall, man. That looks like a very famous temple, I guess. Should come there sometime. I hope you bloody GoPro are recording my audio this time. I should have charged my GoPro batteries, bloody. Don't know why sometimes I behave like a fool. Alright, I think we still got another 5 kilometers. We have almost reached the Manjira Dam. Another 1.5 kilometer to go. The time is 9:05 right now. Oh damn, this off-road section here. Oh, careful. I met an old woman at the gate. She's told me to take this road, and after you reach some distance, you will find a You'll find a neem tree, park your bike under the neem tree, and then you're good to go. That's what she said. I have to see. You gotta be very careful with this loose gravel. Not this way, I guess. Oh, damn. How to go to the... Where is the dam, bro? Where is the bloody dam? I think I missed the road, I guess. Somewhere I have missed. There it is. The dam or dam. The kids are having fun and some fishing work is going on. Nice. Alright folks, I just came back from there, from the dam area, and my GoPro batteries are both of the batteries are dead. It's my fault that I didn't charge them, but nevertheless I think the plan is to backtrack from here to the Narsapur, from there to home. As the old saying goes, it's not about the destination but about the journey. Riding a motorcycle for me is exactly that. It's not just reaching a place on the map, it's the road that leads me there. It's the silent scoldings I give myself in my helmet, the random pictures that I stop to click, the muddy trails I choose over clean tarmac, and the conversations with strangers that somehow feels familiar. That's what makes every ride feel special. If there's one thing I hope you take from this video, it's that your journey that matters the most. Thank you for riding along. I'll see you in the next one.